Hello guys, welcome to Special Ali Technical channel. If you are new, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to stay notified about my next upload. And today I am going to tell you that how can you repair your corrupt video file. Okay, for that you have to three most things required. First, your corrupted video. Second, a good video that is captured by same mobile phone camera. Okay, and then third and most important apps that is required, which is DVR, digital video repair. Okay, then how can you repair your video through DVR? I will tell you. First, you have to go to your Chrome browser. Here is Chrome browser. And then you have to search DVR. Wait a minute. Okay, my net is off, so this is soon. Okay, we are starting now. I have on my network. Here is Wi-Fi. This is connected. I have already opened my Wi-Fi. It is connected. Now let's go to next step, that is we have to search DVR. Okay, hurry up. Hey guys, please watch till end. You can save your video, most important videos, because this is my second time when I was used this app for recover my videos. Okay, here you have to type DVR. भैया टाइप क्यों नहीं हुआ? Yeah, here you have to type DVR, and now let's go search. After searching, loading, here you can download DVR by CNET or any other. I have already done this, so I don't want to. You can download DVR any websites. Okay, and then you have to come down your downloads list, and here you can find your DVR setup. Okay, I have already downloaded, and I have already installed. The publisher could not be verified. Are you sure? Run कर, then close your Wi-Fi. Yes, I have closed my Wi-Fi. This is, and next I am telling you a step by step, so this may take long time. Here you have to accept the agreement, and then click on next, and then again next, and again next. Install. this installing, and now finish. Here is our DVR. Where uninstall DVR? Where are you? सर्च कर देते हैं D. You can see for my first video repair I have all how much application I have downloaded. Here Stellar Phonics, there are many application I have download for that SM player, but no one is working. Then I have to find this DVR which is working and most working app. Where are you, DVR? Here is our DVR setup. License, uninstall, expand, digital video repair. You can see digital video repair. Here you have to click input files. For input files we have to here input file. For input file you have to put your bad or not running video. Here is that. Then I have to put it here, input file. Here. Okay. For that you have to first move them in a folder, create a new folder, and here is bad cliff. Here is your my bad that is not running, and here is my good, same camera, same phone recording. And then cut from it here, cut, and next go to this PC, and here next storage, there you can find it easily, and paste here. After pasting, and this is paste, so wait, please wait. After pasting you have to rename your videos as like not working mp4 and working.mp4 as working.mp4 for that video, which is same video. You have to capture same video which is using same phone camera and same thing that you recorded previous video. Okay, so first here is moving, and now wait for moving. Sorry, this may take so long, but you can repair your video easily. If not then you can say me anything, but I 100% sure because I have already done that in previous video. Hurry up yaar. Okay, wait. This is about to clear being okay. And now okay. Hey guys, follow step by step that I told you in this video, and then you can repair your video easily. Okay, here new folder is moved, and this is working file. You can see this is working file that I captured in same camera, same phone, and same thing which is related to that thing, and this is not working. You can see this is not working. So now we have to rename our videos not working. Okay, this is not working, and rename this working. Working. Okay, this is working, this is not working. And now we have to put where is location local disk D Aditya and new folder. We have to input file, and now easily we can find Aditya local disk Aditya. Here is our bad file not working. Take it in input file, and now repair. You can see I can pause to, but not I can't pause because you have to see at last, then you can believe me and you can repair your video. If you want to Hindi, please comment. I will open my subtitles, but you can do this by step, which is I shown you in this video. Okay, checking the identity will prepare your AVI. Okay, checking. You can see here this app is checking that your data, about your data, not working file, not working. This may take some times. You can then you can do that, but you have to wait. Not working file, and this is not fake, you can check. This is completely 100% sure. And now this is about to repair. There does not need to be important information, audio and video, same camera, same file. Secondly, up now we have to put our working file, not working, then after, then here you have to put working file that is working, which is captured by same phone and same camera and same thing. In this video you have to capture same thing that is in not working file. Okay, working file, open, and now repairing. It may take sometimes approx 2 or 5 minutes, but you have to watch. I can't pause, I don't want to. You have to see how this is repaired. Repairing. Hey guys, then till it is finished. No. Okay, wait till repair mp4 file. Okay, please, you can see I have how much applications I have downloaded for repairing my videos previously. Previous video will be repaired by this app, so I'm confident about it. You can see stellar phonics video repair, air card recovery, and much more things. But now we have to completed our repair video. Here you can see it up approximately already done. 1 minute more, 1 minute, 1 minute more. Wait a minute, it will be completed now. It okay, and now it's already done. mp4, this file is repaired. You can see here the utility will repair your AVI movie play or freeze. The file is repaired. mp4. Okay, and now I have to see you where is that folder. You can see Aditya new folder, no networking, not working file .mp4. and now I'm going to show you where is that thing. Here is that file. You can see where is repaired file. This D disk D not working copy.mp4 output file. Okay, here output file. Now we have to go in D and now check not working copy file. Here is not working. You can see not working copy.file. Okay, now it's time to watch.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू स्पेशल एंड आज के इस वीडियो में आप लोगों को जो
you can see here is my video is working. So if you like, please like and share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you, thanks.